Hi, welcome to NetSys Trainings. This is our second lab of CCNA lab series, and today we will be configuring VTP clients and server mode on Cisco Catalyst switches. The objective of this lab exercise is for you to learn and understand how to configure VTP server and client mode on Cisco Catalyst switches. By default, all Cisco switches are in VTP server mode. VTP client and server mode configuration is a fundamental skill. VLANs are configured on VTP server and VTP clients receive VLAN information from the VTP server in the same VTP domain. VLAN sharing is possible by using a trunk between switches. As a Cisco engineer, as well as in the Cisco exam, you will be expected to know how to configure VTP client and server mode. This lab is suitable for both CCENT and CCNA certification. So let's get started with our lab. Lab environment I have already created, topology is created. Our first task is to prepare the lab, which in this scenario is exempted. When you will be doing on your PC, you have to draw this, otherwise I can also drop a link to the PKT file which you can download and run on your computer to see the configurations. So we'll move to the task number 2, which is configure and verify switch 1 as a VTP server and configure switch 2 as a VTP client. Both switches should be in the VTP domain name Cisco. So we start from switch 1, come in the middle. I have already changed the host name to SW1 as in our topology. Go to configuration mode. And we need to create two VLANs. VLAN 10, name sales. VLAN 20, name managers. One more thing, we have to configure, we have to put this interface F02 into this VLAN. Interface F02, so I'm sorry, interface F02. What happened to my keyboard? Interface, I'm sorry, interface F02, switch port node access, switch port access VLAN 10, and this will be our VTP server. So VTP domain Cisco, and one more thing, we have to configure this link as a trunk link. this is on F01. So interface F01, switch port not trunk, port not change to trunk, and okay, move to second switch SW2. Here fix a bit. Oh, no, just screen. Okay, it's fine. Hostname SW2. We need to configure this switch as a VTP client. VTP node client, VTP domain Cisco. Okay, and next thing, we need to put the interface into VLAN. First we need to confirm whether it has synced all the VLAN from SW1. Show VTP status. Okay, so we show VTP status, and we have not showing here. Show VLAN. I think once we have to put some interface into that, then it will show us. Interface F02, switch port access VLAN 10, right, and interface F01, switch port node trunk. This is our VLAN sharing. Okay, that's trunk configured. Now switch configuration is done. We have to move to our routers to verify. Move to router 1, fake, and we need to configure IP address on the interface. Interface F00, IP address 10.0.0.1, and mask is 28-bit 240. Alright, and no shut. Don't forget to no shut the port, otherwise link will not come up. Move to R3. R3 config T, and the interface F0 / 0. Let me confirm. 00, IP address 10.0.0.3 or 2. It's 3. Mask 255, 240, and no shut. Link is up. Let me confirm. Yeah, link is get sample up. Trying. Come. Green. It's taking too long. Maybe in the spanning tree. Yeah, it's got right. Let me confirm. It's the final confirmation. Now we are on R3 and we'll ping R1 to confirm whether our VLAN and trunks are working properly. Ping 10.0.0.1. Yeah, that's let me confirm from the R1 to O1 will from O1 we will ping R3. Ping. If you are configuration mode, then you can add do in the start of a command. Otherwise, it will not allow you to execute command. Ping do ping 10003. Wow. Yeah, that's great. We have configured properly our VTP domain. We have, let's sum up what we did. We configure SW1 as a VTP server and configure some VLANs, VLAN 10 and 20 on server switch only. Then we configure this switch as a trunk link, and after that we configured SW2 as a VTP client mode. When it was configured as a client mode, it received all the VLAN information which was created over here on server mode. After that we put F02 on both switches into VLAN 10 and configure the router's interface with IP addresses in order to check. If you find this video informative for you, do like and share with your friends so maximum persons can get benefit from it. Thank you for watching.